Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. We are finally starting to feel a bit more settled in the cottage, but I have noticed over the past couple of weeks that a lot of dust and grime and clutter have been building up. So I'd really like to dedicate this afternoon to doing some much needed spring cleaning. I actually like to start my spring cleaning routine with journaling because I find it helps me stay focused on my purpose and goals throughout. So I think I'll journal a bit and then I'll start in the kitchen. I like to start with a part of the house where I feel like I have the most work to do, and for me that's definitely the kitchen. And then I'll move along to the living room, and if I have time today I'd love to declutter some of my clothes as well. So grab something to drink, get cozy, and let's get started. There is no way I'm getting through spring cleaning without a good playlist. When we moved here, I got a pack of these microfiber cleaning cloths from Target, and I've been using them every day. They work so well. And this is the Mrs. Meyer's Daisy Scent Cleaner, and I love this stuff. It smells so good. thank you so much for joining me today. I am feeling very, very tired, so I think I'm going to stay right here and pick a good book to read and just relax for a bit. And if you're spring cleaning too, I wish you the very best of luck. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.